I've already labeled my x1, y1, x2, y2. Now I'm just putting my puzzle pieces together. X2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Now I really got to be careful. This is what I talked about yesterday. When I have minus a negative number, those double negatives turn into a what? A positive. Right? What is negative 5 minus 3? I saw a lot of people yesterday say negative 2 or positive 2, but what's negative 5 minus negative 3 actually equal to? Negative 8. Squared plus, what's 2 plus 4? 6 squared. What's negative 8 squared? So negative 8 times negative 8 gives me positive what? 64. Yep, great job. And what about 6 squared? 36. I'm going to add those together. What is 64 plus 36? 100. Now again, we do not want to stop there. The last step in my notes, if I look back at them, the last step is simplify the square root. I didn't just stop at square root of 25. I simplified it to 5. So again, you can use your notes on the test. Make sure you're following those steps if you're a little bit unclear on this. What is the square root of 100? 10. It's a perfect square. D equals 10 what? Units. Give me a thumbs up if you got 10 units for number 1 there. Just Daniel and Araya. Very nice. Oh, and 3 people. Uh-oh. That's not good. Flipping on the back to number 7. Same idea. I'm going to label x1, y1, x2, y2. D is equal to x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. What's negative 2 minus 2? Negative 4. And what's 7 minus 4? 3. Negative 4 squared is 16. 3 squared is 9. What's 16 plus 9? 25? No. Yeah, 25. And what's the square root of 25? 5 units. This is the one from the notes. The numbers are different, but it comes out to the same. Was there any of these on the back that we got an irrational number on where it didn't simplify to a nice, neat number like 5? Where we still had a square root in our answer? Number 10? Okay. That's a good one because there's all negatives here in number 10 as well. I'm going to label x1, y1, x2, y2. We're labeling the same every single time. xy, xy, 1, 1, 2, 2. First x, first y, second x, second y. Distance is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. I got a couple double negatives. What do all those double negatives turn into? Positives. Negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2 as well. What is negative 2 squared? Positive 4. When we get to this step, there should be no negative numbers. I should only be adding 2 positive numbers because no matter what I get, when I square it, that's always going to make it positive, right? Whether it's a positive times a positive or a negative times a negative, that gives me a positive answer. D is equal to the square root of 8. If I were to do a factor tree for 8, what 2 numbers multiply to give me 8? 2 and 4. And what 2 numbers multiply to give me 4? 2 and 2. So the square root of 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. Are there any pairs I can bring out? Yeah, pair of 2s. Is there anything left over? A single 2. So D is equal to 2 root 2 units. Give me a thumbs up if that's what you got for number 10. Anybody? No? Angelina, Alicio, Evian. Good. If that's giving you trouble, you can always watch the lesson again in Google Classroom. The video is posted. You can watch the worksheet review on your own as well. That's the last we're going to talk about distance formula in class, though. Okay, so if it is confusing, it's up to you to figure out what to do. I'll have tutoring next week, Monday and Wednesday, obviously, as well, that you can come by and get some help with. But other than that,